Well, good day, everybody. Dr. A back in the garden to tell you more stories. There are so many fabulous stories out there, I don't even know where to start or where to stop, but let's just have fun anyway. Today, the plant I want to talk to you about is something that's very, very common in gardens, and one that I think you enjoy just talking about or talking to your friends about because it is so effective as an edging plant. It is so effective as a plant that allows other colors in the garden just to shine. And this is a silver foliage plant, and we know it as lamb's ears. Its botanical name is Stachys, Stachys, and it is available almost anywhere you shop for plants. Lamb's ear is, I think, pretty obvious where its name comes from. I suppose it's not any more obvious than anything else that could be called pillowweed or anything else, but it's because it's so soft. And I guess early horticulturists, early botanists, when they first looked at this plant, kind of just felt it and said, hey, that's just cozy like a lamb's ear. Now, I don't know about you. I haven't been all that close to lamb's ears, but certainly I've been close to lamb's wool. And it seems to be an effective name. And I love lamb's ear, and it's a great plant for the garden. But that's probably where it came from. The Stachys name is also known as betony. So plants, if you call them lamb's ear, is what we call them. Its other common name is betony, and it's from the Celtic words bew, B-E-W, which means a head, and tone, T-O-N, which means good. It comes from it being healing for complaints of the head. So the other common name for lamb's ears is woolly betony. So there's a ton of cool stories about where plants get their names, and Stachys has its fair share as well. But the fact that it's so soft, so cuddly, you almost want to lie down in it, it became known as lamb's ears. As far as the use of lamb's ears in the garden, it really is effective. It's going to be in every design. It's going to be anywhere silver plants are called for. A little afternoon shade, particularly in southern climes, is best for better performance. And too much rain or too much humidity usually results in poor-looking plants by midsummer. And this is because as water accumulates in all those hairs, it doesn't dry out very well, and unfortunately various diseases can come in. Certainly, I think if it was me recommending a lamb's ear for my daughters or my friends, I would probably recommend one called Helene von Stein or Big Ears, because there's a little less hairiness, they're a bit more vigorous, and in fact, they are more persistent in the garden. But regardless, I think they're terrific plants. But I love the common name, lamb's ears. It's just one that just kind of says, oh, let's have some in the garden. Well, this is Dr. A, sharing stories for the garden so you can share them with others. And I'll see you soon down the garden path. I hope you have enjoyed today's story as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Thank you for listening. For more information and more stories, go to my website, www.alanarmitage.net. If you go to the bookstore, you will see one of my most popular books, Naked Ladies and Forget-Me-Nots, How Plants Get Their Common Names. And another wonderfully popular book is Legends in the Garden. Who in the world is Nellie Stevens? These and other books on the website I think you will enjoy, and I hope you have a chance to take a look at them. Once again, thank you for listening, and I look forward to sharing another story with you next week.